turn the back and start crawling and all that thing. Vardhate, vardhate, vardhate. And viparinimate, start shaving. I call adolescence. Then what? Aage jayega, young man, and by 42, apakshiyate. He takes his hand away to read. Means what? Apakshiyate. I said, you are a Brahman. Apakshiyate. Now you know how many bones are there in the body. Upasale kadak awaaz aave, वैसे bio kadak awaaz aave. So you know all the kadak થાય છે. So there is that all noise starts in the body. It means what? And the time comes called geriatrics. You know geriatrics? I would like to become, if I become doctor, geriatric is the best practice. Because you'll be sympathetic to this guy. Oh, this age it happens like that. I'm very sorry. I thought, what can you do with this? Geriatric is the best practice. And skin specialty. You give medicine, nobody applies that. So you always ask, did it quit or no? It will not become okay. And no emergency also. Skin mein kya emergency aayega? I have no skin. And skin specialty knowledge is only skin deep, not more than that. I'm sorry. Any skin specialist here? No, forgive me. Even if it's there, so what? The geriatrics, you know. That is old age problem. One old man went to doctor and said, I got knee pain. He is already 85. Doctor, I got so much knee pain in the right leg. Doctor said, this age it happens. Sir, it happens. He got really angry. The old people get angry also very easily. You useless doctor. Don't you know my both the legs are 85? Why one is paining? If both are 85, both should pain. Only one is paining. Therefore, one thing you should know, never go to old men and ask, how are you? Unless you got 1 hour, okay? Because they will start from their first marriage. Who's got time to listen all that thing? That's called old age. Gadapana kone, mokore nati jve tari vaat. This is all Sanskrit inbuilt, okay? So this is the old age comes over. One thing is that जवानी आती है, चली जाती है. बुढ़ापा आता है, लेके जाता है, जाता नहीं है. Old age comes and doesn't go, I will take you with that. Gita, janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha nudarshanam anudarshanam. Again see that. Janma dukkham, mrityu what? Dukkham. Old age what? Dukkham. And roga is also what? Dukkham. Therefore, jagruhi, awake to this knowledge. Now let us come back to the topic of Bhishma Pitamaha. Is a Veera Purusha, great warrior, and Dharmatma, given to the virtues, righteousness, always. Therefore he loves Pandava, because they are following Dharma. And Ganga Nandana, not ordinary soul, born to Ganga, Shantanu. Shantanu asked, Ganga, why do you put all your children to the water? What are you doing? Then say enough. See, there was this agreement between Shantanu and Ganga. After marriage, she said, whatever I do, you are not supposed to ask me anything. Is it good? Is it like American? Okay. Whatever I do, honey, don't interfere, okay? You mind your own business, I mind mine. And first time he used to put the children to the water. He took it long time, afterward he could not handle it. He said, one last time, 7 children already put. What are you doing, madam? He said, now you keep this boy, I am going. That was Bhishma. As all these Shrapita, Vasus were there, and she gave freedom to them by putting the water. All stories are there. If you teach Bhagavatam or anything, Purana is like what? There is a story or story inside story. Like noodles, you take one, all comes. So it's like that. All are like noodles only. So they all keep coming. The stories after story. And she went away. Ganganandana, very bright person. But he used to take pledge all the time, vows. And he used to follow, never give up. For his father, he never married. For his father never accepted the kingdom. Let his children rule the kingdom. What a thing, Tyaga. Already Tyaga is there in his life. So this is Bhishma's character. And this Bhishma, he has to fight with Kaurava because namak khaya hai. He is eaten in their home all these years. But his heart was for Pandavas. He told very well, I will fight for you, Duryodhana, but 5 Pandavas I will never touch them. I will not kill them. You know the story? I will never kill them. Pandava knows they had so much, emotionally they were so much big bond. So this goes in Mahabharata that on the 10th day, Bhishma fell fallen down with the Shikhandi and Arjuna. All Shikhandi could not do anything, his arrows could not hit him. But when Arjuna was aiming at him, all that pierced his heart. And all the arrows went like that. On the arrows he fell down and they become the bed of arrows. They call Sharasaya. Then he asked Arjuna, give me pillow, few more arrows. Make a pillow. I'm thirsty. But more arrow, Ganga came, went in his mouth. That is called Arjuna. Veera. He loved Arjuna so much. Krishna also loved Bhishma Pitamaha, Bhagwan and the disciple, devotee. Now this Bhishma was in the warfield, Kurukshetra, and the war went for 18 days. And you know the story, Arjuna had Vishada Yoga. Vishada means sadness. One thing is there, sadness is never a problem. Only problem is, I am subject to sadness. When you say, I am sad, the location, adhikaranam, adharu adhikaranam, is me. I am in pain. I take myself, the conscious person, to be sad, which is painful. If sadness is purely mental, I have no problem. People say sadness is mental. If it's mental, that's fine. A lot of mental things comes and goes. It is in the mana. But I take myself to be the subject to this sadness. Therefore, aham dukkhi. Aham is there. And I can't handle because it is foreign to me. Sadness I don't want to have. I want to get rid of it. I don't know how to get rid of it. I like it or not, I become sad. You tell me one question. Do you choose to become sad or you are sad? Do you choose to become sad? So many days I am very happy now, let me become sad for a few minutes. Do you do like that? Huh? Anybody do? Nah. You like it or not, suddenly you pull a long face by. You got some news, you are sad. You did not get news, also you are sad. Because company never invited you for interview. That also news. Thing happens. Somebody's frown. You are sad. The way they invited you, sadness. Shoka sthana sahasrani. There's so much sthanas are there. For me to become sad, very easy. I am subject to sadness. is my core problem. Arjuna also was sad before the war. Shri Krishna helped him by what? Atma Vidyaya, by self-knowledge. There is no other way out. Now, look at this, very interesting. Yudhishthira also becomes sad. Same problem. After the war, look at it. War is over. He is already declared king. And ceremony is done. And now he said, if you look Akshohani Sena, I will give you a number. One Akshohani Sena means how many person? 1 lakh minimum. 18 or so Akshohani Sena, most of the people were killed. There was a river flowing with the blood. Mahabharata war, biggest war. And I am the cause for it. I am Karta. Because of me it has happened. Because of me, a lot of mothers are orphaned, they don't have their sons. Lot of women are widowed. Lot of children don't have parents now. This is all because of me. People say Dharma Yuddha. I did a war for the righteousness, for the ethics, but I don't think so this is that way. I may get hell, I don't mind, I must get hell after death. But this throne I cannot sit. Hate, ding mom, he said. All that he started talking, blabbering, as like Arjuna Vishada Yudhaki. Krishna talked to him, did not help. Look at it, same Krishna could not help the Yudhishthira. Then Bhagavad Prerna, he prompted all of them to go, let us go to Bhishma Pitama, still alive, waiting for Uttarayana Kala. When the north hemisphere, the sun moves, the Ravi in the Makara Rashi. Ravi in the Mesh Rashi is the Tamil Nadu New Year, correct? Yugadi. Any Tamilian here? Karnataka is different. There's the Tamilian is the Mesha, first Rashi.
They don't call Yugadi.
You don't call Yugadi? And the Karunanidhi they want to change to January. They have a special person there, okay? You want anything religious you want to remove. If you understand Indian politics, you feel like crying only. So bad. Anyway, come. So waiting for that, let us go there. All the Pandavas and all the Rishi Muni, they knew it was going to be great. Sambhada. All other people went. Krishna also was there with them. Look at that. They went to the old man and it looked like some Devata has come from the heaven, very shining. And Krishna, everybody went. In this position also, he welcomed everybody. One thing is that Hindu home is for what? Welcoming, Atithi. Anybody comes to your home, doorstep is what? Atithi is always welcome. When your enemy come, welcome with a smile. That's our culture. Welcomed everybody. When he saw Krishna, he did puja inside and outside, both puja he did to Bhagavan Krishna. Started. And emotionally children, like a children, the Pandavas were brought up on the lap of this grandson, like grandfather he was. You hold his feet, hands emotionally and tears